Hey guys, it's Lisa Arneal from Growing Your Baby. We are at Toy Fair. We're hanging out at the Lego booth. I've got a quick preview from Toy Story 4. So these are the sets that you can see in stores from Toy Story 4. They're not showing all of the boxes. So this one here is the RV Vacation. It'll be out in April. It's $34.99. See here? So good. House back here. We do have some food. Got an RV. Great quick build. These sets are rated for kids 4+. So this is Buzz and Woody's Carnival Mania. It'll be $49.99. See here, we've got all of the different games. Got an ice cream station. Got a ride. Of course, we've got Buzz and Woody. Peep at the back. It looks like we've got bumper cars here. Really, really fun. And then we also have the Carnival Thrill Coaster. So this is a smaller version of the coaster that they introduced last year. I love that they do the movable sets. The entrance, it does come with Buzz. This does move, which is really fun for kids to build, and then they can play. So this is $19.99, and there's the box for that. This one does have a box. And then we've also got the setup here. It's Woody and RC. So we've got the green guys. It's $9.99. So there you go, guys. These are the 4 sets that you can expect to see in stores in April. Thank you so much for joining me, and please subscribe to our channel for more great videos.